Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another organizing vlog. So it's the day after. Here, can I put this down right here? Maybe. All right, it's the day after the last organizing vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna put them together or if they're gonna be separate vlogs, but pretty much I don't have to work again today. So I'm going to return some of the stuff. I decided I'm returning the stuff under the sink too, because I do really want to get like stacked drawers or like add some like levels. So I want to do that. I need to get 2 more of the cream boxes for the linen closet, figure out something for the middle. It's just like organizing is tough, I guess. So I'm gonna go do that. I need to pick up some chips because we're going to Dylan's mom's for Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna make some guac and bring guac and chips. And yeah, should I get another avocado? I only have one because I was just originally making guac for like Dylan and I don't know. I just got my makeup done. I just did my makeup. I'm having my coffee. It's like not even 9:30. I don't know. It's 9:17 and I'm gonna head to the stores. I did a little bit of computer work this morning. I need to edit and get up a vlog. I've been procrastinating that. And yeah, it's gonna be a great Tuesday. And then, I don't know what else I was gonna say. But happy Tuesday. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe down below. I sound so annoying. Yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed and then head out, I guess, because I'm already awake. I woke up as if I was gonna work today because I didn't know, and then my boss texted me at like 7:20 and was like, yeah, you don't have to come in today. And I was like, sweet. But I had already like worked out and showered, so I've just kind of been ready to go. So I guess I'm gonna head to the store nice and early and then come back here and get all the organizing done. Okay, just got dressed. I just have black jeans on and this little camo shirt. I'm probably gonna throw a rain jacket on over, or at least like bring it with me because I think it's gonna rain. It's been like rainy and cloudy and like gross for the last few days, but I think it's supposed to rain later, so I'll probably bring my rain jacket. And I'm just like cold because I'm always cold. Just threw my hair up in a bun, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna head out. Like I said, I completely like got rid of those baskets. I'm just gonna return them because they're too big. Although, okay, this is what I needed to look at because I'm afraid if I get drawers, like this stuff's gonna get in the way. So that's kind of an issue. Also, I want to get, like I said yesterday, like things to put like the cotton balls and stuff in, just to get all of that like plastic out of here, because it'll just look a lot more aesthetically pleasing. And then with the linen closet, it's so hard to open these doors. Okay, with the linen closet, same thing. I would love to get another one of these baskets in the same size because I really do like the color and everything. But I'm gonna get 2 more of these so that we can have boom, 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 boom. Still don't know what to do here. Dylan agrees that we should get like some sort of like drawer shelf situation. Even if we did that and we could like put like a smaller basket on top and put like toilet paper or something in it, I don't know. And it's not even that we have so much stuff to like fill all of this with. It's just it will be nice to have the option because there isn't a lot of storage in this house. So that's my plan. I'm going to head out. Actually, I'm going to throw some laundry in and then head out. And yeah, I will catch you when I leave. Okay guys, it has been a morning. I have not vlogged at all because I've just been running around. So as you can see, I got 2 of these big baskets to put in the linen closet. Also, I have grapes because I'm so hungry, but I don't want to touch them. So, I got these. I got the 2 boxes from Walmart. And I've gotten a bunch of like little things to organize all that stuff I said I want to get out of the plastic. Don't know what I'll use or what I won't. I need to go return the stuff to Marshall's and HomeSense. I might like browse around HomeSense one more time. And then I'm trying to decide if after that I'm just gonna go home and treat it as a work in progress, or if I'm going to go to Target. So honestly, I just don't know. It's just like, a lot. Trying to figure it all out. Which, like, obviously there are bigger issues in the world. I'm not complaining. I'm just like confused how it's supposed to all come together. I think I'm just gonna return this stuff and go home. Cause kind of pooped. Kind of tired for 11:30. Can't believe it's only 11:30. I need to take my jacket off. Alright, I'm gonna take my jacket off. Is my car on? Yeah. Drive over to Marshall's and HomeSense. And then probably go home. Alright guys, we're back for part 2 of organizing. So for under the sink, I'm just gonna go with that first. I got, why are these all wet? I got this little jar. It has Q-tips like pictured, but I don't know what I'll end up putting in there. That one's glass. I got these 2 plastic ones, which these were like $5 for like this little plastic thing. So, and they're not like great quality. So if I don't use these, I'll probably return these. But I have those. And then I got a bigger jar as well to put some stuff in. So that's really all I got for under the sink right now. I'm gonna see what I can put in here and just kind of like get that figured out, and then I will move on to the linen closet. Okay guys, so this is the result. These are like, they're just not as nice as like the glass one, but this is the 4 little jars. I'd like to get more to put like other stuff in. And then I was thinking, I was like, okay, so what am I gonna do with like when I need to like the refills, I guess. But this stuff could go in a basket in the linen closet as like backup, you know? So then it's cute here, but backup in there. Or I could get like buckets to put it in behind. That could be fun too. Or I could like put the, I could get those buckets with the lids at like Home Goods or whatever and put these on top of the buckets and then put this stuff in the buckets. That might be what I do. That might solve a lot of our issues. Over here, not gonna solve that, but that can solve this. Oh yeah, I wanted to put Band-Aids in one too. So I guess I'm gonna need to get a few more. I really like this glass one a lot more than these little ones, but it's fine for like what these are for. I think I got these 3 at, yeah, I got these 3 at Walmart, this one at Home Goods. So honestly, the Home Goods one was the cheapest one. So just like finding them when they actually have them is gonna be key at Home Goods or TJ Maxx or wherever. So that's cool for now. Now I'm gonna move on to the linen closet. Guys, part 2. Alright, I was so excited about these baskets. Look. They stick out too far. Oh, it would look so good too. Okay, well I like this color and this idea, but I guess we're gonna have to try again. Dang it. I thought they would be perfect. I thought maybe they would be too wide this way, but no, they're too deep and they're too big to go the other way. But I do like these and I like the color scheme. From far away it looks nice, but dang it. All right, well I'm gonna organize the blankets and beach towels and stuff and put them in these, but a work in progress, am I right? All right, this is what we have for now. I have towels. What did I put in there? Beach towels? Yeah, beach towels, blankets. That one doesn't fit. Sheets, and then I'll probably do like, honestly, I'll probably do big blankets up there and then like washcloth something down here. I don't know. But down here, I think, yeah, I'm gonna do like extra bathroom stuff, like extra toilet paper, extra tissues, extra cotton balls, extra, like all the extras, but I need like a shelving situation. So that's the update for now. My mirror came. Thought it would be a little bit wider, but.
Never judge a book by its cover.
Maybe you can tell how wide it is.
You never know.
Can it slide out?
Look, I tried to do it. You want to pull on the box?
Mm-hmm. It's so cute. Lots of pics right here coming soon. This is so cute. It needs to be clean though, because that plastic like left smudges. Hi guys, I forgot I was vlogging. Hold on, this is great. So I'm making guac. It's like almost 5 o'clock, and Dylan and I are going. Is this gonna stay? Yay. Dylan and I are going to his mom's house for Taco Tuesday. So I'm making some guac. I don't know if anyone's gonna, I don't know if they like guac, but I like guac, so maybe people will try it. Maybe people will eat it. And if not, I know Dylan and I will eat it. Aw. Wait. Oh my god, I just dropped the tomato in the avocado. So I just did 2 avocados. I'm gonna do like half a tomato, some jalapeno, some red onion, some lime juice, and then I forget what I do for seasoning. Salt and pepper, maybe a little, what did Julia use? She used paprika. Shoot, I don't know what else she used. I should have really like, oh, garlic. Julia made this the other day at my house and it was so good. We had cilantro then too though, and now the cilantro went bad, so I just threw it away. But so we can't do that because that really like made it really good. But she did like lime juice of like a full lime, and all I have left is like this kind of lime juice, which is fine. But I just added a little tomato. We have a little bit of leftover jalapeno, and then I just got another one. So the key is like you just slice it like really teeny, and people won't even know. So I'm making guac. I have pajama pants on right now, so I'm going to get dressed in a minute, and then I'm gonna meet Dylan. Like I'm gonna drive closer to his work and like leave my car there and meet him, and then we'll go over together because they're aiming to eat around 6, and he gets out at like 5:30. So rather than him coming, why can't I get this out? Rather than him coming all the way back here, we're just gonna do that. So I'm gonna finish making this guac and then get ready and leave. Okay, time for a taste test. Because you gotta try it to see what you gotta add. Alright, this literally turned off right before I tasted it, but I'm adding a little more chili powder, a little more paprika, a little more garlic, and then more lime. Mix it up. Ooh. Let's see how that is. A little more salt. More pepper. I still don't feel like the lime juice is coming through. So add a little bit more. I get nervous with seasonings, so I always do too little instead of not enough or too much. Please work, because I don't know what else to do. Yeah, it's good. Alright, so I just looked out the window and it's downpouring. I was gonna say I'm gonna put some tinfoil on us, but we don't have any. Alright, well, I'm gonna package this up, go put my jeans back on, get ready, and head out.